First of all, open any web browser and type the link as you are seeing on the screen. You can also check my description for the link below. When you click on the link, you will be on official website of Oracle. From here, we can download Oracle Database 11G R2 Express Edition for Windows 64-bit. Since I'm using Windows which is of 64-bit version, I'm going to download Windows 64-bit version. And this is for 32-bit and this is for Linux 64-bit. So I'm going to download this by just click on this download button. You must accept Oracle license agreement to download this software. Just click mark on this. You will be redirected to the login screen in order to download the file. Okay? Just click on this. Now you are in Oracle login page. You need to have an Oracle account in order to download any software from Oracle official website. So, if you don't have an account, just create an account. And believe me, creating an Oracle account is as simple as creating Gmail account. Okay? For future purpose, if you want to download any software from Oracle official website, just create an account. I'm already having an Oracle account, so I'm just signing in to my Oracle account. After signing in to my Oracle account, download gets started. See here, you can see my download is starting, which is of 317 MB. Okay, it all depends upon your internet speed. Finally, I have successfully downloaded my software. Now let's move on to the second step, that is installation part. In order to install this software, we need to click on the setup file. Just right click, run as administrator. You can see setup is in progress. You can see on the screen Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. Just click on next. We need to check mark I accept terms in the license agreement. Just click on next. Now click on next. Now we need to specify database password. I'm giving this as admin. Please remember the password because at the time of configuration we need this password. Okay? Click on next. Click on install. Finally, it is installing. Now click on finish. Click on start button. Here you can see Oracle. Just scroll down. Here you can see Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. Click on run SQL command line.